I'm a wreck. All I've been doing is eating, and I'll probably eat all night. Taking every ounce in me not to go upstairs.
What kind of ice cream is that?
It is day
20 minutes later.
It is day
6 hours later. 72 hours later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people actually requested this, like over the years too. Like this is like the #1 question I always get when I'm applying people's makeup for looks, like whether it's a gig, something, you know, wedding, all that jazz, or even like in general with my friends, and they're always like, how do you apply lashes? And I'm like, it's hard. Well, this why did I say that in a singing voice? It took me so long to like actually learn how to do eyelashes, and I'm still learning. Are they gonna be perfect? Probably not. You know, in a couple years, maybe I'm gonna look back at this video and be like, what is wrong with you? But you live and you learn. This is going to be great practice time too for a lot of people. Like, get your lashes ready, get your glue, and I hope this tutorial is easy. So let's get started. Oh, struggle. I should probably hook this up, but alright, let's start with some lashes. I got mine from Amazon. We got our scissors. You'll need some lash glue. I recommend the Duo lash glue. It's a little wand. Then we got our eyelash tweezers as well as regular tweezers. And if you want a child to kind of entertain you, mine wanted to make an appearance. We're going to start with our lovely little lashes. And I'm going to measure my eyes. Well, measure the lash to my eyes to try to see where to cut it to best, and we're just gonna snip away like we snip away people out of our lives, and we want to cut them out of our lives. We're gonna snip that little end. This one actually had a little bit more band, so I was able to cut the bands. And just make sure, you know, you're just curving the lashes to fit to your lash line, and I just keep on making my lashes fall because they did not want to behave. And yeah, we're just going to continue to do that. I always cut from the inner corner, and we're just going to snip like we're cutting away from people from our life. And we're basically, yep, just snipping from the corner, the inner corner, because that's the best spot. So that's always the best spot to kind of, yeah, I clearly don't know what I'm saying, but it's pretty obvious. And then we're just going to take our little lash glue. Mine's from Duo. I highly recommend this one because it turns like a little blue, and we're just going to put it onto our eye.
I'm extremely disappointed in you.
And I recommend grabbing from the middle as I block the camera. And then I'm taking my tweezers, and we're basically going to morph. We're going to grab the lash as close to the lash line as possible by carefully taking the eyelash tweezers. These actually came in a kit from Amazon. You could get these from Amazon. They're cheap to get. Later in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use just regular tweezers that you have, but I like these because they're a little bit easier to work with if you're a beginner. And I'm just carefully combining both my lash and the lash itself.
There's the artist. They say that his work looks great from afar, and then once you walk up, it's like, ooh!
So I ended up hating it and I tried to fix it. So that's what we're gonna do, take 2. And I'm basically gonna end up trimming a little bit more from the inner corner, just to get rid of that inner corner part where I end up being successful this time. And I'm just continuously trying to get as close to the lash line by tweezing it with the lashes, moving it around a little bit while the glue is still setting before the glue is 100% set. And this is the best time to try to move as fast as you can to get it as close to your lash line as possible. Now I'm going to start with the second lash, where I'm going to start by measuring it again. This time around I'm actually going to be using regular tweezers for this one. And we're snipping that end. The little band that was left over, by snipping away like we're snipping our exes away from our lives. And I'm just continuously trying to measure it, making sure it's the right fit. And if I have to, we're going to snip away where we need to. Like I said, and I told you guys, I recommend that we trim from the inner corner instead of the outer corner, because the inner corner is a little bit more easier to blend with the eye if we cut it away. And we're snipping away the inner corner. And you're just going to continuously measure to your eye, because every eye is different, until you like how it looks. And this is before the eyelash glue. And I forgot to mention too that I actually put mascara on my lashes before I applied these lashes. So I highly recommend you put mascara on first to blend your lashes, and then we're going to put mascara on later, as you'll see. And I also forgot to tell you, you have to wait for the glue to be dry for about 20 seconds, where it's a little bit tacky and it's still not wet but still not dry. So you'll know with this glue, I like the duo glue because of the fact that it actually turns lighter, and a lot of glues actually you can tell when it's a little bit more dry, and you can see when, what am I doing? I'm just playing with my lash. But like I said, I recommend you wait about 20 seconds before applying your lashes to your lash line. Now I'm taking the tweezer and starting off in the middle by grabbing the middle, and then we're going to grab the outer corners to apply the lash as close to the lash line as possible. I always say that it's actually easier to grab from the middle to apply it to the eye, because that way you're able to bend the outer corners to morph to your eye a little bit better, and that way you could get it as close to the lash line as possible. This has always been the easier method. Right now you can see I'm actually using regular tweezers. If you have regular tweezers, you can use these. And I'm basically doing the same thing, where I'm kind of carefully tweezing the lashes and my lashes together to make them as close to the lash line as possible. But be very careful that you don't pinch your eye. And right here you can see the glue actually got stuck to my tweezer. And this might happen too, because you can see the tackiness. The glue is trying to set, so you have to be very careful with this. And at this moment I'm trying to get the inner corner as close to my lash line as possible. And that's it. Now just take your mascara. I'm only literally applying mascara to my lash part and like kind of the bottom to make my lashes and the lashes kind of morph together so that they're all blended. And that's pretty much it. Some people even reapply their eyeliner. I wish I would have, but hey, And what I'm actually doing here is applying the mascara to the tiny lashes at my inner corner, and that's it. I hope that tutorial helped you, because I don't know how else to film an eyelash tutorial, but I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, like I said, leave a comment down below. When did I say that? I didn't say that probably at all in this video, but like I'm saying right now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell notification at the top bar so that way you guys know when my next video is going to be. Look at this hair. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up! Say bye! If you ever think about it, like with YouTubers, we pretty much are all like sitting in our own like room, or if like some people have a studio, and we're all just like talking to ourselves to a camera, and no one finds that weird because this is totally normal.
I'm quite ditzy as well, so you've just got to be really patient with me.